I am Dr. Rekti Iyer. I am head and director of the critical care unit of Sterling Hospitals, Vadodara. Today I'll take a minute to talk on sepsis, which is a life-threatening condition, and many people go unnoticed and lose their lives. I think I need to talk about this important topic today. So what is sepsis? Sepsis is just not an infection. It could be due to any infection like a simple cut, an injury, a pneumonia, or a urinary tract infection. The way your body reacts to this infection is what is sepsis. There is some toxic reaction which goes on in the body which leads to serious inflammation, which you call as systemic inflammatory response syndrome. And this damages different organs, the liver, the kidney. You can have bleeding tendencies, and of course you can even have shock, which we call as septic shock. Yeah, actually anyone can have sepsis, but the very young and the very elderly and those who are immunocompromised, like when you have comorbidities like you have diabetes, you have kidney disease, you have liver disease, or you have had a transplant or any other immunocompromised condition, then the incidence of sepsis is going to be high. So you have to have a close watch and you have to be aware of it. Only when you are aware of it, you will be able to recognize it early. Sepsis could come up even without signs or symptoms, or you could have high-grade fever, you could have loss of appetite, malaise, body ache, unexplained feeling of not feeling well. Some people might just be drowsy, not feeling up to the mark, and there could be something in the reports. You could be having a high WBC count, you could be having a high CRP, you could be having a chronic infection, say a urinary infection or a chronic cough. So there could be a wide variety of symptoms which you need to catch up. The first thing is, if you have a doubt in your mind, just don't neglect your symptoms. Immediately come to the emergency, consult us. We will investigate you and start treatment early. This is very important, because there are studies which say that within 1 hour of hospitalization, if we give you adequate fluids and antibiotics, the survival rate improves by 80%, as high as 80%. So the message for today is, please don't waste time. Come to us. We'll treat you, we'll investigate you, and we'll save your lives. Please let us help you.